Okay, so these questions are basically asking us how much doesn't fit anymore, right? So I have 65 degrees Celsius and 15 degrees Celsius. So let's take a look at those. 65 would be right in between 70 and 60. 15 would be right between 10 and 20. Move that over a little. Okay. And what are we talking about here? Blah, 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 blah. Oh, KNO3. So that's the one that we are looking out for. So let's go find KNO3. Okay, that's this guy. So at 15 degrees Celsius, how much can the solution dissolve? Okay, let's see. How much can the solution dissolve? Well, let's say here, right? So I would say that's like, let's call it 27 grams. That sounds good. And that's how much it can hold. And at 65 degrees, right? So we go back up here, and they intersect like there. Right, and I would call that like, let's call it, 117 grams. Okay, so it says a solution is made by completely dissolving 90 grams at 65 degrees. So it's able to hold 117, right? 90 is about there. Okay. So at this point, it's undersaturated, right? Unsaturated. But, right, so I'm starting out, a solution is made by completely dissolving, solution is made by completely dissolving 90 grams of KNO3 and 100 more, blah. Temperature, the solution is 65 degrees. So this is our starting point. Oh, whoopsie daisy. Okay, start. And I'm ending at 15 degrees Celsius. Okay, so I'm moving over here. Okay, so I started with 90. I'm ending in a place where I can only hold 27. So it's basically saying you can hold 27. What's the amount that you can't hold anymore, right? So before, right, at 65 degrees Celsius, I had 90 grams. And at 15 degrees Celsius, I can only hold how much was it? 27 grams, right? At 15 degrees Celsius, I can only put 27 grams. Okay, so I have 90. I can only hold 27. So that means the amount that is not dissolved, the amount that is not in the solution, is going to be 90 minus 27, which would be 63 grams. Okay, and that would be your final answer.